Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your guy Dwayne from D.M.S, bringing you another fragrance video. And the fragrance I want to talk about today, I got it. It actually was a throw-in fragrance because I was, doing some shopping. And this fragrance right here was a cheapie, but nevertheless, it does what it needs to do for a good 4 or 5 hours. And it's in that coconut wheelhouse, and I'm really into that coconut bag right now. And it's a cheapie. It's actually just a blatant ripoff of a Montel fragrance. Where look, it looks like it's a Montel bottle, guys, and it comes from the house of CUBA Flame Authentic. But it's hard to explain. It's like a CO2 canister for like an airsoft gun or whatever. But it's a cheapie nevertheless. It feels cheap in your hand. But let's talk about the juice that's in this can. So you pull your little tab like you do your Montel bottles and just spray away. So let's just put a puff of this in the air. Comes off a little cheap at first, but guys, as it starts to dry down, that's where the magic happens. And I'm gonna read off a few notes. Sorry. It has amber in it. I don't get a lot of amber off this one. I get heavy doses of coconut. I get a lot of fruitness of it, a lot of tropical. You definitely get that citrus down in there. Very sweet, very coconutty, very vanilla. So it's a nice summer fragrance. Is it a world beater? No. Is it gonna get you 5 to 6 hours? Yes. Projection might get you an hour or so. I wore it a few times just before I got on camera with it to really understand it and really, get some numbers off of it. Like I said, it's not a world beater, but it's a nice, I want to say, gym fragrance, work fragrance. You might want to reapply it. I mean, I'm not a reapplier, but you definitely can do that with this one. And for 15 bucks, guys, I say go ahead and get it. You're not out of a lot of money with it. And it looks good from a distance because, you would think it's a Montel, which it's not. But it definitely gives you that. And the bottle is fingerprint heavy. I'm going to see if I can get a real good picture of it on camera because everything is red and then the writing is in black. And, yeah, like I said, first initial spray, you get the syntheticness of it. But as it starts to mellow down and that air hits it, you get the vanilla, you get the citrus. The coconut is very, very aromatic and it's very sweet at the same time. Great fragrance. Just cheap. You're going to have to reapply this one. This is not a beast mode fragrance. It's more of a transitional from work to gym, playful type scent. If you're just hanging out around the house, put your white tank top on, your white beater and spray this on you, you're going to smell good. The house is going to smell good. But that's pretty much what this fragrance is. That's pretty much what this fragrance do. And again, it comes from the house of CUBA. And the name is CUBA Flame Authentic. And they had a few other ones, but this one really stood out to me. So that's really the one that I just threw in as I was shopping. So don't hesitate, guys. Get your hands on it, get your nose on it. I wouldn't say blind buy this one. Like I said, it's not a world beater, but for $15, what the hell? Put it in your collection. Put it in a gym bag, put it in your car. All right, guys, with that being said, this was your guy Dwayne from D.M.S, bringing you a fragrance review. And I wish this bottle wasn't so red. I wish it probably should have went with silver writing because you really can't, on camera, it just doesn't show off well. But I'll put a picture behind the video or put one in front of the video to give you a full display of the bottle. But I do like it, but it definitely feels cheap in hand and smells good. Coconut, vanilla, citrus, tropical scents. If that's your thing, get this one. Don't pay over $25 for it. It's not worth it, but it definitely is a good scent to have laying around in your collection. All right, guys, with that being said, this is your guy Dwayne from D.M.S, bringing you another fragrance video. Till next time, peace.